Welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most useful tools in networking, nslookup. Whether you're checking IP addresses, verifying DNS records, or testing DNS servers, nslookup makes it simple and powerful. 1. Finding the IP address of a domain. Let's start with the basics. You can use nslookup to quickly find the IP address of any domain. With this command, nslookup www.example.com. 2. Checking DNS records. nslookup isn't just for IP addresses. You can also check different DNS records like A, MX, and CNAME. A record IPv4. nslookup type equals www.example.com. MX record mail servers. nslookup type equals mx example.com. CNAME record nslookup type equals CNAME www.example.com. 3. Verifying DNS configurations. Sometimes your default DNS server might not be working properly. You can point nslookup to a specific DNS server like Google's 8.8.8.8 to verify configurations. Commands: nslookup www.example.com 8.8.8.8, and that's it. With nslookup, you can quickly troubleshoot DNS issues, find IP addresses, and verify server configurations. In the next video, we'll cover more powerful networking tools for troubleshooting.